Hello, Gun Doctor here. This is an Ishapore Rifle 7.62mm 2A1 based on the Enfield MKIII. This rifle was chambered in a 7.62mm NATO round and never chambered in a British 303, and it has a 12-round magazine as opposed to the 10-round magazine found on other Enfields. Before disassembling the rifle, make sure that it is not loaded. Remove the magazine and then remove the bolt. Remove the front forend. Remove the front barrel band. Remove the upper part of the stock. Remove the trigger guard. Carefully raise up the rear sight and remove the second part of the upper stock. It is very delicate. Remove the metal buttstock from the rear of the wooden stock. Using a long screwdriver, remove the rear stock from the receiver. The stock was sanded down using number 60, number 120, number 220, and number 320 sanding blocks, along with number 80, number 120 and number 220 sandpaper. After sanding the stock, the wood was found to be quite grainy. Wood filler was added to the stock and then the stock was resanded. Three coats of walnut stain were applied to the stock, allowing 24 hours between each coat. Six coats of TRU-OIL finish were applied to the stock. Number 0000 steel wool was used between coats. After the last coat of TRU-OIL finish was applied, The rifle was allowed to sit for 1 week and then wax was applied to the stock. All of the metal parts were cleaned with gun scrubber and lubricated with BARRICADE, and the rifle was reassembled. This is what the refinished rifle looks like. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.